Hi guys, so I have a short video tonight about exterior angles. Exterior angles have properties that make them a little bit different from the other angles, so they get their own video. An exterior angle is formed outside of the circle, as you can see, which is why it's called an exterior angle, and it's formed by two tangent lines to the circle. So remember when we did that whole activity about a point outside of the circle and the two tangent lines to the circle that also go through that point? We were actually creating an exterior angle. So the formula to find the measure of an exterior angle is the major arc minus the minor arc, all divided by 2. The major arc is what's in red right here. See these 2 points where the tangent lines intersect the circle? That is what forms the major and the minor arcs. So the major arc is going to be this big one that goes from here all the way down here, and then the minor arc is the little one that's on the inside of the angle right here. So the minor arc is the blue one and the major arc is the red one. So to be able to find the measure of this exterior angle over here, we need to know the measure of the major arc and the measure of the minor arc. Well, we know that when the angle is in degrees, the measure of the arc that the angle subtends is the same measure as the angle. So here I already have the angles made, and this green one is the angle that subtends the major arc. So from there to there, and then it goes all the way around. And then the pink one is the angle that subtends the minor arc. So we're going to see the angle measures. So the angle that subtends the major arc has a measure of 218.45. The angle, wrong one. There we go. The angle that subtends the minor arc has a measure of 141.55. So that means to find the measure of the exterior angle, we need to subtract these and then divide by 2. So we have 218.45, 141.55. When we subtract those and then divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2, it's the same thing, we get 38.45. If we come over here to our exterior angle and show the degree measure, it is in fact 38.45. So to be able to find the measure of an exterior angle, you need to find the measure of the major arc, the measure of the minor arc, subtract the minor from the major. You shouldn't get a negative number, so it should always be the bigger number minus the smaller number. And then you're going to divide that by 2 or multiply by 1/2, whatever your preference is.